Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Auntie Titi. For those of you who don't know me and for those of you who do, thank you for joining me in another wig review. This wig review is sponsored by the company Main Gang. Thank you, Main Gang, for sending me over this unit to review. And I just thank you for trusting me in giving you my honest opinion on this wig that I'm currently wearing right now. So without further ado, let's go ahead and watch me install the wig and then come back and listen to me give you my 2-3 cents of whether you should be picking this wig up. Let's go. now that you've watched me install the wig, let's go ahead and talk about some specs about the wig. The name of the unit is Janet Collection Melted Transparent Hairline with Extended Part Lace in the style Maxine. I have Maxine in the color DR1B Caramel Brown. It is pre-customized. It has a natural hairline along with baby hairs. It has transparent lace for seamless blend with any skin tone or color. Natural deep parting space for styling naturally. A pre-plucked natural density hairline for a realistic appearance. Added baby hairs to complement the look. Soft Swiss lace, perfect for any meltdown with any lace adhesive. At the time of recording, Maxine starts at a price of $30. Maxine, I would say, is beginner friendly. It's a put it and go wig. Once you cut off the lace, you do not necessarily have to lay the lace with any adhesive. I just went in and made it look a little natural because it was looking a little too wiggy for me. Maxine is beginner friendly. She doesn't have any shedding or flyaways. I did go ahead and do just a little tweak by cutting off the wig, not the wig, the tail. That's what I want to call it. It's a tail because I don't know, I wasn't feeling it. But yeah, so this is how Maxine came. I didn't add any curls to her, add any product besides hairspray to hold on the curls that were already there. So now that we talk about the cap construction, what would I give Maxine? I'm not feeling Maxine. I'm really not feeling Maxine. I don't know, something about it is just not right on my head. I don't know what it is. I can't put my finger on it. I don't know. So for that, I'm giving Maxine a 6.5. I honestly don't know what it is about Maxine. Me and her, we don't vibe. So I don't know what it is. Maybe we just don't go together, you know? So because of that, I'm giving Maxine a 6.5. But I still want to thank Main Gang for sending me over this unit. I really do appreciate it. And thank you for allowing me to express my honest opinion on the unit. I will leave a link down in the description if you were interested in purchasing Maxine. Say if that was something you like because of the length or the color. I will leave a link down in the description so you could purchase the unit. Also, any products that I use or any of my favorite products, I will leave a link down in the description so you guys can purchase. So if you got to the end of the video, you are the real MVP. I just want to say thank you for watching my video. If you haven't subscribed, go ahead and smash the subscribe button, hit the notification bell, hit that like button, and leave me a comment of what you thought about Maxine. Do you think she looks good on me? Am I tripping? Just let me know. Or, you know, anything you want to tell me in the comments, go ahead and leave a comment down below. And I do appreciate you guys and thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next week. Bye guys.